the braised duck with the broth. Ooh, look at this.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You know, there are some dishes may appear to people which can be quite intimidating. But actually it's not very difficult. Like today, Appa is going to make a Teochew braised duck. Appa is actually a Teochew. Who else is Teochew? Leave your comment below. I bought a very nice fresh duck 2 days ago from my local wet market. So this is half of it. This is probably, whole duck is, after removing the feathers and stuff, it's approximately 2 point something kg. And the whole duck cost me about 40 ringgit. How much is a duck at your place? Let Appa know. Yeah. So this is half of it. The other half, I will do something else. And I have some. This is the claws. Yeah, for the duck. So later I'm going to braise this half duck together. So and then we want to make the braised broth. It's not difficult at all. You will need some fresh herbs here. These are the fresh herbs. You'll need some sliced shallots, garlic, ginger, spring onion, the white portion, and some fresh coriander roots, star anise, 2 to 3 pieces, bay leaf, yeah, 1 or 2 pieces, and this is cinnamon stick. Yeah, my cinnamon stick is quite small today, so I put in 2. And this is 13 spice powder. If you can't find 13 spice powder, you can use 5 spice powder. And if you have some dried orange peel, you can put that in as well. Some will also put in some tang gui. My wife, tang gui is not so suitable for my wife, a little bit too heaty for her, so I'm not putting in tang gui. But it can give you very nice flavor if you put 1 piece of tang gui inside also, yeah? First thing, prepare a pot, yeah, that can accommodate your duck, and you don't want the pot to be too big. I'm using a 24 centimeter today. Give it a bit of oil, and we are going to heat up the oil. All right, once it is heated up, you can put in all the fresh herbs. And let's saute the fresh herbs for a minute or 2 before we continue. Sorry about my hissing sound. Appa is actually down with flu. Weather has been pretty bad, yeah? Then you start seeing some of the onions and garlic started to brown. That is the time you can actually add in the star anise and also the dried herbs lah. I'm using some very simple dried herbs today. Sorry about the hissing sound. Appa is having flu. Next thing, we are going to add in some hot water. Approximately 500 ml. And then I'm going to add in some Shaoxing wine as well. Small bowl. I think it's not enough. I will add in a bit more liquid, more broth later. But yeah, let's make the braised broth first. First of all, give it some 13 spice powder. This is the big brother of big 5 spice powder, yeah. And some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Some salt. Some light soya sauce, some dark soya sauce. Control your dark soya sauce, not too much. You just need probably about 1 to 2 tablespoons enough. You just need the color, yeah. If you put too much dark soya sauce, the whole thing will become bitter. And you need to add in at least about 1 tablespoon of sugar, yeah. Or you can use rock sugar. Wow, now it's already super fragrant. Very, very fragrant. Basically, our braised broth is ready. Not difficult, isn't it? So next thing, we can actually put in the duck. And I have the claws. I think I'm not going to add in more broth lah. This is enough. You try whenever you are making a dish, a braised dish, try not to make it too diluted. Some people, they will actually apply one thin layer of dark soy sauce onto the duck itself lah. To me, that is really optional, because I've eaten so many different types of braised duck. It doesn't really have to be very, very dark, isn't it? And some more, when you are cooking the whole duck into this broth for a long time, it will eventually turn dark as well. So now it is already boiling, yeah, and I put the skin facing down so that later you can actually color the skin better. It is now boiling. We are going to close the lid, tune down to medium low, and we are going to cook it for approximately 40 minutes, between 35 to 40 minutes. Alright, this is after the first 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Wow, super fragrant. Ooh. Now I'm going to turn the duck over. Now we'll cook the other side. Wow, very fragrant. Okay, then we give it another 15 minutes. Alright, this is after another 15 minutes under medium low heat. Wow, more fragrant right now. It is almost like 80% cooked. So I'm just going to flip it over just to get the skin some a little bit more darker color, and that's it. Done. So I'll give it another 5 to 10 minutes. Then our braised duck is ready in 1 hour. It's not really difficult to make Teochew braised duck at home. Okay, this is after a few more minutes. I actually raised the heat a little bit, yeah, just to make the braise a bit thicker. Wow! Wow! Look at this, it's so beautiful. Let me flip it over. Right, there you go. We have the color we wanted for our Teochew braised duck. It's basically done. Some people, they will actually make some starch solution to make the broth even thicker. I personally, I don't prefer that. I prefer this way, which is for the final 10 minutes. I raise the heat a little bit so that the braise can actually thicken out by itself naturally, so it gives you nicer flavor. Now I can actually take out the egg. The duck. You can actually, if you want to braise some tofu or some egg, you can braise it now, or you can put in the tofu and egg halfway. Yeah, after about first 15 minutes, put it in. Here's how beautiful it is. Teochew braised duck is not difficult at all. Yeah. Now I am going to banjil the braised duck with the broth. Ooh, look at this. Alright, there you go. Here's my very simple Teochew braised duck at home. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.